how to connect Shopify with Facebook and Instagram Shop. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Facebook and Instagram Shop. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Shopify.com and register or log in with your existing Shopify account. And in the homepage of Shopify, you will see the step guide on how to set up your online store. While on the left side panel, you will see some of the options such as home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts. While under the sales channels, you will see the online stores, point of sale, and Facebook and Instagram. And in those options, kindly select sales channel. And on the search bar, kindly type Facebook and Instagram. And on the search result, kindly select this Facebook and Instagram, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. So basically, all you need to do is to install this Facebook and Instagram. And after you finish installing of Facebook and Instagram, you will see the details in here, such as your privacy details and the customer information, including the contact information, the activity, location, device information, and many more. And in this section, all you need to do is to scroll down from the very bottom and you will see some of the data that you can edit, including the analytics and online store. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to click the green button that says Update Sales Channel, in which upon doing so, you will be directed in here, in which it says here that you can start selling on Facebook and Instagram. All you need to do is to set up your shop for free, which only takes a few minutes. And once it's approved, you can now add products to your catalog. So customers will be able to browse your shop and make purchases. And aside from that, below, you can see the benefits that offers by setting up your shop, such as to design and manage your shop on Facebook and Instagram from your Shopify admin. You can also let your customers browse your products on Facebook or Instagram to get redirected to your online store, and of course, to complete their purchase. You can also experience to extend your social commerce presence by tagging your products in posts and stores in partnering with relevant creator, and of course, advertise your products on Facebook and Instagram. And after knowing all of the benefits, you can now start setting up your own shop. And you can do that by clicking the green button below that says Start Setup, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And to set up your shop, you need to connect your Facebook or Instagram account. So just click this button that says Connect Account. And after that, it will show you to log in your Facebook account in order to connect in this Shopify. So after connecting your Facebook account, the next process is to connect your business assets. In which from here, all you need to do is to select the Facebook page that you want to link in this Shopify. And just proceed by clicking Connect. And make sure that the Facebook page that you selected is connected to your Meta business account. And the next process is to enable data sharing, in which it is helpful in improving your advertisement in Facebook. And after that, from here, under the Manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing preference, you need to choose which kind of preference you prefer, in which there's a 3 options such as conservative, enhance, and maximum, in which by choosing conservative, you can get some ad performance and customer targeting improvements, but prioritize sharing less information. While by choosing enhanced preference, it will enable you to use proven established methods for strong advertisement performance. While by choosing maximum preference, you will get the best possible results, in which this setting is continually updated with Facebook latest advertising technology and share the most data in Facebook. And in those preferences, I'm going to choose the enhanced preference. And below, it says here that this option shares your customers' personal data to help them understand how it is used to power relevant advertising on Facebook. And make sure that you read these useful Facebook resources. And also the privacy policy, in which it reflects how your personal information or data being shared and used by third parties like Facebook. And below, you can also see other details regarding this Manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing preference. And after checking all the details, you can now proceed by clicking the green button that says Save. And after filling out your data sharing preferences, we can now proceed by connecting a pixel to track customer behavior. And to do that, all we need to do is to click this button that says Create New, in which upon clicking on it, it will automatically connect your Facebook page to this Shopify. And after connecting your pixel, all we need to do is to click Confirm. And for the last step of setting up your account is the terms and condition, in which you need to accept Facebook seller's agreement to sell your products on Facebook or Instagram. You also need to accept Facebook Business Tools terms to create a pixel. And before you check these boxes, make sure that you read this Facebook seller's agreement and Facebook's Business Tools terms. And after reading those terms and conditions, all we need to do is to check the boxes. And after you set up your shop, all we need to do is to proceed by clicking Submit for review. And just wait for it to load, and you will see in here that your channel setup is now finalizing. And it says here when this happens, please do not refresh the page. And also on the right side panel, you will see under the product status, before you start selling and marketing on Facebook, you also need to set the product status as active and select the Facebook sales channel. And below here, you can also run ads on Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to create ad campaigns to get your products in front of millions of people on Facebook and Instagram, you can do that by clicking the blue text that says Create Ad. And while your shop on Facebook are still in progress, you can start customizing your shop by clicking Customize Shop. And from here, just scroll down and proceed by clicking Start Setup. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which from here, you can connect additional Facebook page or Instagram accounts to Shopify. Well, if you go back to the page, you can start customizing your shop by clicking Customize Shop under Shop on Facebook, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this Next tab, in which from here, you can start customizing your layout and the other elements of your shop. And aside from that, you can also customize your Facebook page. You can select these categories, and from here, you can add a shop collection. And to add a new collection, just click this button that says Add a Collection, in which you can choose a collection to feature in your shop, and you can also create a new one or choose from suggested collections created based on insights from your shop, in which it is essential in building up your shop so the customers can find a list of your shop collection in your shop's menu. And aside from that, under the layout section, you can also optimize your layout by turning this on, in which by turning this on, it will automatically change your shop's layout based on customers' information. And aside from that, you can also explore other different kind of elements in improving your shops in Shopify. And after customizing your shop, you can now proceed by clicking Publish Updates. So that is just how to connect Shopify with Facebook and Instagram Shop. Thank you.